This man has invented an innovative conflict-free bed that can only be used by two people.
This fox still scrolling. After 100 funny clips, a few hundred motivational posts, and stalking 25 OnlyFans influencers, somehow he's still not bored. His screen time is over 8 hours, but he's not alone. There are millions of foxes just like him. But this fox, not like them. His screen time is also over 8 hours, but there is a big difference. While otherwise watch TikTok dancers, he's picking deals to another fox in Tokyo. Instead of stalking OnlyFans girls, he sends Notion templates and makes passive income. To him, the internet is a high-speed money machine. Now he wakes up to Bali sunrises, not traffic. He works while soaking up vitamin D and pays for tropical drinks with Adsense. In just 10 minutes, doing nothing. Getting here isn't easy, but it's not impossible. Now Mr. Fox show you a few ways to get there.
I love YouTube. If you're broke but want to start business, this is probably the best place. All you need is discipline and consistency. YouTube has a few ways to make money. Let's start with the first one. AdSense. More views, more money. YouTube basically says,
Bring the views, I'll run the ads, and 55% of the money is yours.
But first, you need to hit one of these. 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. Or 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views. It's not that hard. Just post videos regularly. With 1 million views on a long video, you can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. With shorts, it's way lower, around $10 to $100. So why such a big difference? Because three things really matter. Which country your views are from, your niche, and your video length. Countries like the US, Germany, UK pay much more. Countries like India, Egypt, Turkey pay less. Why? Advertisers in rich countries spend more. Your niche matters a lot. If you make videos about money, tech, or business, you'll earn more. If you do vlogs, pranks, or random fun stuff, you'll earn less. Pick your niche carefully. And video length matters too. If your video is under 8 minutes, you get one ad only. If it's 8 minutes or longer, you can add more ads. To keep it simple, more ads, more money. Sponsorships are where the real money is on YouTube. I call it a lifesaver because in the beginning, AdSense won't pay enough. Once your channel grows to around 10k subs, you can start getting sponsors. But remember, your sponsors should match your niche. A crypto ad on a cooking channel doesn't make sense. So how much can you earn? With 10k subs, around $100 per video. With 100k subs, around $500 to $1,000 per video. But here's the most important part. Don't wait for brands to find you. That almost never happens. Email them one by one, be clear, short, and show them what you offer. Also make your videos look good. No brand wants to work with a low-effort channel. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product, people buy it through your link, you get paid a small part of the sale. It's like being a partner in the sale. YouTube is the perfect place for this. You show the product in your video, you add your affiliate link below. If people click and buy, you make money. For example, if you have a tech channel, share the link for your mic. If you have an educational channel, share Notion templates, books, or online courses. And here's the best part. The money can be much better than you think. If someone buys through your Amazon link, you earn between 1% and 10%. If you promote digital products like courses or software, you can earn 30% or even 70%. And with crypto sites or finance apps, sometimes they pay $50 to $150 just for one sign-up. This is one of the easiest ways to make money directly from your viewers. No sponsors, no ads, just people who like you and want to show support. You set a price, your fans pay this every month to help your channel. In return, you give them little extras, like badges, custom emojis, or special videos just for members. And here's the good part. Even small channels can do this. If your fans like you, it works. To unlock this, you only need 500 subs and 3,000 watch hours. That's it. Super thanks. This is like a tip jar. Someone enjoys your video, clicks super thanks, and sends you money. It could be $2, it could be $50. It's their choice. Selling digital products. This is one of the best ways to make money online. Why? Because you can start with zero budget or with just a tiny investment. And the best part? You make it once and sell it for years. What do you know real well? What could you talk about for hours? What could you teach people? Find that topic. Open your laptop. Take what you know and turn it into a product. It could be an ebook, an online course, or a template. Let's say you are a total gym rat. You know workouts, nutrition, and routines like the back of your hand. Write it all down and create an ebook. Put it on Amazon. Price it at $10. And that book can earn for you, even while you sleep. Or maybe make a video course. Sell it on School, Udemy, or your own site. You can even offer live coaching with it. A product plus service combo. But here's the challenge. There are millions of digital products out there. So why should someone buy yours? You need either a unique product or people who know and trust you. That's where social media comes in. Start an account. Post useful, niche content every day. Focus on growing your followers. Then share your product with them. The bigger your audience, the more sales you'll make. And this is just one example. The world of digital products is huge. Stock photos and videos, Notion, Canva, or Excel templates, coaching and consulting, music and sound effect packs, graphic and design bundles, t-shirt and mug designs. Flipping used items. This is one of the fastest and most real ways to make money online. You don't need to invent anything new. Just buy and sell. Of course, here's the truth. You need some money to start. $1,000 is a great amount, but you can start with less. If you are good at finding deals. First step. Look around your house. Old phone, laptop, camera. Anything works. List them at market price or a little below. Then spend time on marketplace. See what sells fast and what doesn't. Write it down. Learn the game. If your budget is small, I recommend flipping iPhones. These folks tried it and made $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Why? Because the market is hot. People always want iPhones. As your money grows, you can flip bigger things, like cars or motorcycles. But here's the thing. At first, it feels slow. You'll have 2 or 3 items. Sometimes they won't sell for weeks. It gets frustrating. But don't quit. If you stay at it for a year or 2 and grow your money, making $10,000 a month isn't impossible. The key? Don't touch your profit. Let it build. And here's what's cool. You don't just learn how to make money. You learn how to talk to people, how to read them. These folks can now tell who's lying and who's not. All thanks to flipping. One more tip. Keep your old customers happy. If your product was good, they'll remember you. Send them your new stuff first. This folks sold half his items to repeat customers. And never forget, half of this business is how you talk. Speak well, be honest, make the sale.